Hello, everybody. Today we're got two special guests. We have Val from Trippy Food and Matt Zion from Wreckless Eating.
Kind of special.
Well, I'm special.
Okay, I agree.
So I've tried all these, but they have not probably. So I'm gonna have. Well, we're all gonna try it, but let's start on the.
I tried one of these. I tried the orange one because I got
Okay.
that from Cost Plus World Market.
Yeah, I got 3 of these from.
Now, are
Costco.
these all from the same? Like, are they all Japanese Kit Kats or?
No, these 3 are actually from the UK,
Oh wow!
which is why they're
Oh
differently.
wow! Individually wrapped.
Yeah, but they're weirdly wrapped, and it's got
Thank
like
you.
tinfoil around it.
Yeah, I've never seen anything wrapped like this before. But I probably have, but
And these might be melted because.
not a candy. No, it feels pretty solid.
No, but they might have reformed, but
Oh.
they were melted when I reviewed them a couple days ago. Well, actually, they're not too bad. I think they reformed themselves. But it's real
Oh wow,
thin.
what a pain though. I wish
It's
I wouldn't
real
do this.
thin.
This is stupid.
All right, cheers.
Oh god, they're so much faster than me. Alright.
Yours 4, that's why. Reminds me of a Girl Scout cookie.
Yeah, the
The,
Thin Mint,
yeah, Thin Mints.
Oh wow!
which I absolutely do not like. I'm the only person on the planet that hates
No, they're
those.
different than the Thin Mints because they
Yeah,
have
this
more. They're crunchy. They're crunchier than
Yeah.
Thin Mints.
And this is dark chocolate too. I think Thin Mints are milk chocolate, aren't they?
It's they don't taste like Andes. They don't taste like the York peppermint patties or anything. They're completely different because of that crunchy cookie, I think.
Hmm.
And there's the racist ice cream truck song.
It'd be funny if you just drove up like here, like just right behind us. There's no road here. It's like, hey guys, what are you doing? Okay. Not
Okay.
the worst.
No,
It's like
Actually,
those
I like
mints that you get at the hotel.
Mm.
the ones on your pillow.
Yeah.
That's
This
where she
is
got
orange.
these. They were on
Oh,
somebody's.
these ones are definitely mushy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He literally is going to come back here,
I
isn't he?
He's like, I sense that you wanted quiet.
He's going slow on purpose. It's
Yeah.
like slow and steady.
That's so funny. Oh, this one's kind of.
I don't
okay.
suppose that's copyrighted.
I don't. I
I
mean,
don't know.
it might be.
But oh, he's turning good. He's not going to park here.
He
He
is.
is. He is.
No, he's not going to park right there next to us.
All right,
I
we
can't
get it.
really get this one.
I know this because it's.
Now he got the. Oh, yours is
Alright, mine-
really
I got
melted.
Really falling apart.
I'm gonna have to eat this half
Yeah.
because I can't get the rest of it off.
It's as bad as I remember. I didn't like this one at all.
Oh, you've had this one before?
Yeah.
I have not.
It's like a Terry's orange.
Oh, it's so weird.
Ooh, that is weird.
Yeah, it doesn't fit a Kit Kat.
You know what?
Crisp.
It's weird, but I like it.
Mm. It's almost as weak as the green tea ones. I don't like those either.
Well, I don't have any green tea. Good.
You have everything but the green tea.
Yeah, really.
I want to try these for sure. I've never had this one.
It seems like it's a little light on the orange flavor, maybe. I mean, it's like a hint of orange.
Thank you.
Well, that one might be a little.
Oh, honeycomb.
Is there honeycomb in it? I mean, like
Not.
whole honeycombs, or
It's not. This is not American version of honeycomb where the bees make the honeycomb. This is like a.
They have workers that make the honey.
No, the British honeycomb means something different. It's like a candy that's very crumbly, kind of like almost
Yeah,
like
we've got these people in the basement that make the honeycomb.
Oh, calm down, Ringo. Can you imagine if we find out one day that Ringo's just like a serial killer?
Or making Kit Kats in the basement.
Or that, maybe both.
Or making Kit Kats with the people he kills. Making a mess here.
Well, they were melted, so sorry.
No, maybe with all that paper.
I actually think I like the dark chocolate mint ones the best out of the 3 so far.
Mm.
It's just got a weird flavor to it. It's not bad. It's just kind of odd. I wouldn't associate it with a Kit Kat.
Yeah.
And it's not even honey taste. It almost tastes like toast.
Yeah.
Unless I'm having a stroke. Oh, that's if you smell toast, right?
Yeah. Well, it's okay.
That's almost like a regular Kit Kat.
A little bit. Regular Kit Kats, though, are like, they're not the best tier, but they're right below the best tier.
Well, the thing is they probably use, I think, so I know in Canada, they use a different chocolate.
Yeah, way better.
Because one is
Yeah.
one is Hershey's and one is Nestle's, I think. Is something like that?
Yeah.
Something along those
Yeah,
lines?
much, much, much better over there.
Yeah. That's what most things are. And I can't understand why. It's like McDonald's. McDonald's is much better in any other country but the United States.
Because Americans are used to cheap.
Well,
we don't ask for better ingredients.
That's what it is.
Yeah, that's all it is.
But it didn't used to be like that. Like, I imagine if you went to McDonald's in like 1957.
It's true though. It wasn't
would have been
always
better.
this way. There was I watched a video a long time ago about where there was a time when they started allowing the regulations on food to be more lax, and that's when companies started saying, "Well, we're going to save money."
Yeah.
Which one is this?
Salt lychee.
lychee.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's when pink slime started being used. Remember pink slime?
That's weird. It's a salty candle. Oh wow, that's the most unique Kit Kat I've ever had.
It does taste like a lychee.
Mhm.
Lychee.
Lychee. I think.
Love the salt portion of it.
Because salt is something you don't associate with chocolate.
Oh, I do.
Although to be fair, it's white chocolate.
That is pretty good. Actually.
Wow.
The more I'm letting it
Yeah.
chill, I like it.
It's got kind of a cool, almost like a mint kind of coolness to it, which is really weird.
Thank you.
I guess that's the lychee. Wow. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, this one is Ichigo Daifuku flavor,
Oh,
which
no.
is.
Oh, okay.
That's easy for you
I
to
think
say.
it's a
Stuffed mochi?
yeah,
with
like a
strawberry?
mochi. Yeah,
Okay.
Did
That
you say
is so-
mochi?
Yeah,
Yes,
mochi.
mo-
So I'm the one
Mochi.
that says it wrong.
not mochi.
Wait, how are you supposed to say it? Or how do you say
Mochi.
it?
No, you say it right.
No, but how do you
Everybody
say
in the universe says it right.
But what do you say?
I don't know. I'm going to say mochi right now because everybody else.
Because he said mochi.
Oh,
That's right.
mochi?
Like Loki.
That's the knife nerd over there. All right.
Moki, the god of mischief.
Oh, it's so strange.
It's very
Oh, that is weird.
light flavor. I don't.
It's a little perfumey.
Oh, it's really strange. I take it back. That last one was awesome. Oh. Oh, that's gross. I don't like mochi, by the way. I hate it. It's the
Okay.
texture of it. The
Really?
flavor's always good, but I don't like the texture of mochi at all.
The
Wow, that's
chewiness?
weird.
okay, what did he
That
say
one,
this
it
one
tastes
was?
like it tastes like there's some sort of citrus in there.
It's really,
Oh.
really odd. That should be on someone's neck, not in my mouth.
Go around someone's neck.
Ooh,
This
maple.
one is maple.
Yeah, let's go.
Maple.
Maple.
Wow.
Or 1996 King of the Ring winner Mabel. For all you wrestling fans out there. Okay. Oh wow, the texture on this is weird compared to the other ones, though.
It smells a lot like maple.
Janice, where do you get these?
These Japanese ones, except for the first three, I got from
Oh my God.
Paul
I open it and
Criddle
I get the
Japan.
smell. Immediately got the smell just opening it. That's even before I got it close to my face.
It's got a good flavor, but it's gritty. Whereas the other ones don't have a grit to them. Some might say a true grit, starring John
That
Wayne.
has a really strong smell.
I don't know
The
about that
taste
one.
is not as
No.
strong as the
It
smell.
smells more than the. Is it artificially flavored?
Oh,
Or?
it has to be.
Oh, well.
Oh no, I'll take care of you. I got you. I took German in high school. Yeah, no. That's gross. The texture on that is disgusting.
Again, it's like you get the smell and you really look forward to it, and then you're like, where's the
yeah,
the
it's
maple
not
taste?
quite. It's a little there, but not as strong as the smell is.
Maybe they use a Japanese maple, which is an ornamental.
This one is, I think, the one that got melted.
It feels like it got melted.
This
what are
one
these?
is sakura flavor.
So
Is
what
what?
is that?
It's cherry blossom,
Oh, so this is gonna be more like
but it's not
It's like a
cherry.
Yankee Candle.
yeah, it's gonna be like
Yeah,
a perfume one.
It's not cherry. It's a cherry blossom.
Alright.
Wow. Who knew you could even cook with that?
Japan.
Yeah, that's
They
true.
got-
That's true.
A lot of things are
Aren't
sakura
most
flavor.
like in Washington D.C. the big deal is the cherry blossoms every year, but weren't those trees a gift from Japan?
Mhm.
That's pretty good. That's not bad.
Very light flavored.
Yeah, that's what saves it too. Because if that flavor was stronger, that'd be
Yeah, it's
terrible.
true.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, not bad.
Wow. I thought I wasn't gonna like that one
Mm-hmm.
just because of the name.
So all these Japanese ones I got from Critical East Japan. Because we're Patreon members and
Oh, okay.
at the level where he sends us stuff.
Passion fruit. My uncle, no, I was gonna say his favorite fruit. He likes dragon fruit.
I like them both.
I'm indifferent.
This one smells a lot too.
Wow.
That one has a little bit.
God.
That one has a little bit of a citrusy flavor too.
A little bit. What are you talking about? There's olive flavor.
Yeah, but passion fruit isn't a citrus fruit.
Well,
It is a juicy tart fruit, though.
I don't ever
yeah,
really
this
hear you
tart.
say that sentence ever again.
Juicy tart.
Oh, I heard that. I said no.
I didn't use the
Oh,
whole
that's
sentence.
gross.
Oh wow,
I hate that one.
leaves a kind of a weird feeling on your tongue.
And then this one I think we got from World Market.
Okay. Best one so
This
far
is
was
dark.
the salt lychee, actually, which I talked mad smack about. But the more I had it, I was like, wow, it's pretty decent. It's just weird.
It's because of the worst flavors you had after it, right? I think this is just dark chocolate
Yeah.
with Oreo bits. It says.
Oh. Good, because I thought maybe it was just rotting.
Have you had the Kit Kat Gold?
We didn't. I did
Which is
try it.
the I'm trying to think.
Oh, it's some kind of
like-
cereal flavor or something, right?
no, it's like a honey flavor.
Didn't it have like
Oh.
the gold? The thing was like, oh, it has like gold flakes baked into it or something.
No,
like that, I thought.
no, but it was really hard to find because it was.
I think I had it because it was in a munch pack.
Yeah, this is. It's
Just
kind of
dark
the
chocolate.
chocolate is so different than the
It's
rest
like
of it.
dark chocolate with you can taste the grittiness of the Oreos that are in there. Not bad. Not bad at all.
So which one did you like the most?
Honestly,
No, lie to her.
I like the maple one the best. That's truly a lie. Honestly, I'm gonna say my two top favorites: the lychee, salt lychee,
That was pretty weird but good.
and the mint one.
Same thing. Those are
Yeah.
the two that stood out the most.
Yeah.
Mint was the more normal of the two, and then salt lychee was the most interesting.
Yeah, most unusual.
Mm-hmm.
Would
I
you say,
think
Janice?
I think I like the salt lychee and the passion fruit. So I like this flavor.
Whatever that gritty one was, I think it was the maple one. That one was awful. I hated that.
Well, the thing that bothered me about that one is that it had the maple smell, but not the maple
Yeah.
taste. And
It's
I'm
not
like, what's
quite-
up with that?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Okay, so the wind's gonna blow everything away. So
Good crashing in.
you want yours there, or are you gonna eat the rest of yours?
No, it's too much sugar.
That's
for
probably
me.
that's probably more candy than I ever
Yeah.
had in my life.
So make sure you go to their channels. I'll have a link down below and check them out and
I wouldn't
subscribe.
trust Val though. Just don't do it. Don't
I
bother.
don't even trust that.
Good. Yeah, good.
And make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.